We've got a new chamfer machining command, compatible with all the usual geometry types, from wireframe geometry to solid models. So on this solid edge method, if I go to the levels and cuts, there's a new user-friendly dialog for entering a chamfer dimensions. Whatever you enter here will update the corresponding parameters, including the total tool depth there, which is read-only and dictated by this dialog. So if I want to overcut by a small amount, the other parameters are updated, as is the total tool depth. And selecting edges, you can float your mouse over any face and it will find the edges that are accessible by the chamfer tool. So it won't just highlight all edges, it will only highlight the chamferable edges for selection. Pressing Shift and selecting an edge will find a run of edges for chamfering. Once selected, you can deselect and reselect as needed, and once you've got what you want, apply the chamfer. And taking a look at the solid faces option, you can see there's a chamfer applied to this orange face. So when the chamfer is actually modelled, you can use the solid faces option. It differs slightly in that it offers some stock, XY stock and Z stock. So entering 0 will chamfer the exact solid face, and adjusting these parameters will adjust the size of the chamfer accordingly. Entering numbers in here again updates the other parameters and total tool depth, as do these.